Welcome to day 18 of a movement a day Qigong. Today we're going to do a move called pulling down the heavens. Just starts like this. Inhale up and exhale down. This one move is really good for sleep. Just bringing stress down so you can sleep deeply. Also helps you have normal blood pressure. Just really good for just keeping a healthy blood pressure. Purging stress. Inhale and exhale down. So as you do it, you imagine gathering qi from everywhere and just bringing that into the body. And as you come down the body, you're pushing out all the stagnant energy, and that's going out your feet. See it disperse. It's your energy. You control it. You can imagine it as smoky colored or dark. Just see all that stuff you don't need just going out the feet into the earth. Imagine a couple feet down, it's just being dispersed. So fresh energy in with an inhale, and then with an exhale, just pushing that energy you don't need out. Just dropping into the flow. You've got the basic move, palms up and then palms down. Coordinating the breath, so you're exhaling as you're pushing out. And you can slow it down a little bit. Now we'll do a little bit of a variation. Inhale up, palms at the top, but let's roll down the front so the hands are facing the body. So we did a little purging of stress and stagnant energy to begin with, and now we're just going to bring in that good fresh energy. The palms are facing the body. It's radiating fresh energy into the body. Starting at the crown, coming down the face. See if you can feel the energy flowing into your system as you come down the body. Inhale up, exhale down. If you've got an area in your body that needs more attention than someplace else, you can stop and pause for a moment. Maybe the eyes. Are your eyes really fatigued? You can send some energy into the eyes. How's your throat feeling? You can send some energy through the throat. Putting the palms, stacking the palms on top of each other really helps with directing more energy. Maybe your heart or your lungs need energy. Your belly. So you can pause with the movement as well. Just briefly focusing on certain areas. Radiating that fresh energy in. It's a flow, so it's restoring your reserves of energy. It's getting rid of the energy you don't need anymore. And then there's one last variation that's really good for sleep. And that's to come up, just like we were doing the first flow. So it's going to be the same movement, palms face down. We're imagining just everything, all that hectic energy of the day just flowing down to your feet. But we're going to add the healing sound, like we did in an earlier movement a day. We're going to do the one for the triple warmer. Inhale up, which is he, H-E. Inhale. Kind of sounds like you're deflating a tire, and that's how you're supposed to feel it. Draining all that hectic energy from the day. Energetically just deflating. The body will just naturally fill up with energy that's perfectly for nourishing sleep. You don't want to go to sleep quite yet, but if you do this like 20 times before bedtime, it'll really help with your sleep. You can actually do it in bed lying down. So just lying down, imagine yourself deflating like an old mattress, air mattress. And I'll include a link to a 10-minute sleep routine that includes this motion at the end, because it's really powerful. So if you're thinking about more sleep, check out the 10-minute version as well. We'll do one last flow here. Notice how the body's feeling. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm so happy for you. See you tomorrow.